This is an official channel of New Sadiq Public Montessori and High School. It is an education.
When someone comes up with a clever solution to solve a problem that makes really awesome that we have never seen before. Inventions are basically super important for us because they make our life easier, okay? More fun, and sometimes even change the world. So we should appreciate and learn about them. So there are some examples of invention from our surrounding. Can anybody tell me some or few examples of invention that are coming in their mind? Okay, yes, Wafia, you can tell.
Bulb.
Yes, very good. Bulb. Yes, Shanaya. Cars, very good. There are some examples of invention that we take from our surrounding as well. There is television, pencil, laptop, shower, solar panel, refrigerators, air conditioner. These all are the examples of invention that we have taken from our environment. So it means that you care about it. If there is anything you didn't care about from your side as well, okay, we will do some little activities so you can understand that what actually this topic means. So let's start from Vishal. Come over here.
Action or an idea that has brain, environment and it makes life easy.
Eamon and Hania Umar will give some examples of invention to you.
Here are some examples. First, computer. From computer we can save data and get information. Second, iron. From iron we can press silicon.
Eamon.
While we can contact to each other, but we can get light. We can watch photos.
So okay everyone, Hania, Zimakur and Rubaiya and Wafia have arranged some small activity for all of you so you can get the information or get the word command in this topic as well. So let's start.
What are you doing, Rubaiya? I am reading a book. Why are you using candlelight? Why are you not using the bulb? It will be more easy for you to read. Look, this is much helpful. Thanks for helping me out. It will be more easy for me to read. Zimal, what are you doing? I am writing a letter to my brother as I am very important. Zimal, letter took many days to reach your brother. Nowadays communication has become easy to write. We can call from anywhere or any place in the world. You can take my instruction and call your brother.
Thanks for watching videos. Thanks for watching.